Shut up.
Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for Central Chisago County, East Central I-Sandy County, West Central Polk County, and northwestern Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cambridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near North Branch around 8:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Spring Lake, Harris, Wolf Creek, Wild River, State Park, and Branch. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 149 and 155. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Chisago and I-Sandy, and Polk, Wisconsin.
I got worse.
The National Weather Service